Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display settings between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this currently is, and then from your display screen from your home, we can use the touch screen, or you can use this to scroll. So we'll go to config and we'll push that, and then here we'll scroll till we get to languages. If it's not already on it, push enter. And now it's English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, push enter, and it just auto updates everything to Spanish. So I speak English, so I'll walk this through again to change it back to English. So from your home button, go to these configure buttons here, and then this top one is your language, and then back to English, and that's it. Everything's in English again. So I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.